Hello and welcome. You will learn what is 12-minute affiliate system and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, and what about benefits. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. 12-Minute Affiliate is an online plug-and-play affiliate marketing system that claims to help you start earning affiliate commissions in as little as 12 minutes. What this means is that you are given the tools and systems to promote different affiliate products without having to do the hard work yourself. For example, you do not need to create an opt-in page to build your list, as you are provided with pre-designed lead capture pages, complete with opt-in forms. Essentially, all you need to do with this system is drive traffic to the lead capture page and get people to sign up. Sounds easy, right? Unfortunately, it's not as easy as it sounds. Although Devon Brown, the owner, is a successful internet marketer, I feel the bold claims he makes about this product are quite misleading. One of the biggest issues beginner marketers face online is not getting the right traffic. So unless you already know how to drive traffic to offers, you may have just as much difficulty earning with this platform as you do with any other system. I know there is the option to purchase traffic, but unless you have the budget to afford it, you'll most likely be looking for free traffic methods. Plus, there's no guarantee you'll even get targeted traffic using 12-minute affiliates paid traffic options. Just like some other systems I've reviewed, such as this one, you don't need to spend too much time creating products and sending emails. You just need to focus your efforts on driving traffic that converts. How does 12-minute affiliate work? The idea behind affiliate marketing is that you can sell other people's products and earn commission whenever those products sell. With 12-minute affiliate, there are 3 main steps involved. Step 1. Personalize the system. This means that you'll be adding your affiliate links to the products you'll be promoting, and setting up your email autoresponder and other aspects of the sales funnel. Step 2. Add done-for-you traffic. The system gives you the opportunity to purchase traffic to deliver to your offers. The amount of traffic you get will depend on your budget. The problem with this is that the traffic may not be targeted, and as a result, you may not get the result you were expecting. Step 3. Keep your affiliate commissions. As you've set up your account with your affiliate links, you should receive the commissions when you've made a sale. What's included in 12-minute affiliate? In the 12-minute affiliate platform, you can expect to find done-for-you sales funnels, done-for-you emails, an easy funnel wizard to allow you to customize your sales funnels, access to their Facebook group where you can interact with other members, done-for-you traffic. 12-minute affiliate also offers 2 different types of membership levels, depending on whether you'd like to focus on 1 niche site or 3 niche sites. Pricing plus upsells. There are many payment paths within 12-minute affiliate, but here's a quick breakdown of the main pricing and upsells involved. 12-minute affiliate, main product, $9.95 14-day trial, then $47 to $97 per month, or $397 to $797 lifetime access. Triple your results blueprint, upsell 1, $39, one-time fee. Done-for-you setup, upsell 2, $67 to $97, one-time fee. Pros. It's based on a business model that actually works. Access to the Facebook group. Low entry cost to the course. Can access and implement the main training without purchasing the upsells. 60-day money-back guarantee. Cons. Many misleading claims. Done-for-you systems tend to make it easy for you to rely on products like these and not learn the skills for yourself. Extra high costs in upsells. No signs of ongoing training. High ticket costs. Conclusion. After going through the review of the 12-minute affiliate system, It can be concluded easily that you can start earning profits in the form of commission in just 12 minutes if you follow the instructions strictly and have the budget to buy the paid traffic for your affiliate link. Initially, you may have to face difficulties in attracting traffic, but later on it will be easy for you by using the tools provided by this program. The main aim of this program is to make you a successful affiliate easily by providing you effectively working tools. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your 12-minute affiliate system today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.